Let's walk through how to set up your personal profile in AO Scan. This is a foundational step. Creating your profile allows AO Scan to recognize you and begin building your unique energetic blueprint, so everything you do moving forward is personalized to you. Head to the top of your screen and select Create New Client. Next, enter your name, email, height, weight, and birth date. Your email will automatically be used when sending reports or scan-related content, so choose one you check often. Then, it's time to add a photo. You can upload one from your device or take a new one directly through the screen. If your browser asks permission to access your camera, just hit Allow. Once everything's filled out, scroll to the bottom and select Finish. You can also create profiles for pets, animals, and spaces, objects. It's the same process. Just head back to that drop-down at the top of the screen and choose the type of profile you'd like to set up. Need to update your profile? While it's possible to make changes, we strongly recommend keeping your profile information consistent. Each time a profile is updated, the software must relearn the individual, which can delay or reset the progress made in identifying your personal frequencies and needs. If you do need to make a change, simply return to the top of the screen, select Edit Current Client, and update the information at any time. And that's it! Your profile is set, and you're now ready to start scanning and optimizing.